4. Remember, it's all about chords. We are still using the Roman numericals. Renale 1, renale 2, renale 3, renale 4, renale 5, renale 6, renale 7. Again. We are in which key? It's only one sharp. One sharp is G major. That's the key we are in. Don't forget A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now we are in G major. We know G major is going to be G, B, D. Again. G, B. So G, A, B, C, D, E, F. Then A, you're going to about A, C, E. And then B, you're going to about B, D, F. And then C, you're going to about C, E, G. And then D, you're going to about D, F, A. And then E, you're going to about E, G, B. And then F, you're going to about F, A, C. Right? Then you check the note that you're given. Then you check the note that you are given. I guess sorry about that. You check the note that you are given. So the note about feeling you're not in every good boy deserves D. I guess we won't lie on that. Every good boy deserves another D. Then F A C E. I guess, and then both feeling more another D. Then both F A C. Number 5 FA, and then this one both feeling GB. Now guys, we want to go to D, 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 E, D, C, A, B. You say, okay, now everything in D that I can use from all of this. It has a D. It has a B. Then okay, you know you have to use A1 twice. So every time we use the first one twice, ne? Then okay, D is already done. Cancel, for example, D is done. Okay, B, B out. Every good boy, the third line, I get. B is clef. I'm looking in. Okay, G, I two again. Good boy deserves food always. Or A, C, E, G. Then we Kenya Monana. Now, Kenya chain. Why when I kick as well? This means it's bass, this means it's tenor. But it's the same note. So meaning they're singing the same note. Bali guy, Bali 2. At the end of the day, guys, we need to see 4 stems. We need to see 1, 2, 3, 4. Now before, remember they've given you. Your job is to always add what? The third one. You come back, it's another D. You can still do whatever you did. You can still do whatever you did the first time. It's your choice. It's tonic chord, it's tonic chord. What's the third one? The third one is still D, Leona. You say, okay, I'm still doing the same thing. Okay. The next one, key E. You go look for E. Kiena. Or kananga in EGB. Ne? Then okay. Remember the first one every time it must be twice. You must write it or draw it twice, the first one. Then what? Like Basaba feel. And then okay, nka include a B, nka include a G, okay, I include a B happy. And then now let me include also B, also E. Or include a G as tenor. We include another E. Remember, E we must have 2. So far it's enough E1. A C E K E how. Okay, now we are on D. D, remember, it's still that one. You still just copy the old one that you did the first time. I repeat a fella note. You repeat whatever that you had before. Sky stress, stress. Okay, C. Usonali C. Wa check or key thing okay sebedisang GBD, ACE. Here's our first possibility. D, F, CEG. I think CEG works better. Then you remember you have to have two C's again. Then over C and then over G. Note your G again. Usotaka E and C again. Okay. Who tena C yakatloba ena. And then who basically about A, C, E, G. The fourth. What? A. Which one can I use for A? Get the second one. Remember, you have to always figure, ne? Don't forget the figuring. Figure. Which one did you use? Okay, I see that we used 1 4. Then retla A ya gona re sebedisang 2. So 2 ya gona sentse re na le A ke re tlo kenyang C ya alto, C ele e fatshe. Then se re kentse C tlamile re kenye A and E. And then G, B, D itlo bana le A bana le E. Right? Now this one, the A is not in there. It's not in the base. Instead we have the E. So remember how it is looking ki 6 4 which is what? Second inversion. Then you go to your B. Kina ke 3. 1 2 3. So already was about file. Oh sorry, it's G. E G. So what's about G and then in G. G. It can be 1 year old. 1 year old can be our G. So it will be G B and D. So D you can use this one, and then B you can use this one, and then you can use the G in a. Remember G A Peter 2. Remember it must be 1 2 3 4. When you add 3, but number of feel 1. When you add the voice part is 3, then what happen? You try to figure out, okay, what is this one? This is A C F A C E G B D F F. Go do my F king G. Ibiba ing enana ibiba E, ibiba C, ibiba B, ibiba A, ibiba G. Right? So already what? Okay, E ke nana la yetswa e hopola E ke. You just take that E as it is. Remember. You take it as it is. I get E how we go. VI. F. Did we have F? We've never had F. You go look for something here. F. So about it's a key now. Why boy? Key. FAC since about fileki VVI why boy? But by batla in what in first inversion. So meaning this one must be in the base. Already since we prepare, okay. In my base, okay, so prepare okay, kinali E, kinali F, kitlamne kibenali C, kitlamne kibenali another C, and then kitlamne kibenali G, li A. I can suppose not 2 C's. It must be. It's F. It's F. It's C again. I must have 2 A's now. A okay. Okay. Then Q. A ya gona ka base clefong. Then Q. Then ugotle G. Did we have a G ke nana G? My height 1. Then watla okay. Ke feng G ke 1. Kana gotlela back to 1. Ke feng ke nana ka bana le ka kenya D ya hao monana. We yentse ugotle tlo batla B le G utsho every good boy ke o bona ha e sebetse o re G o re B mo o tle E ya hao ke nana wa ipheta hape pheta the same thing that you had done wa ikenya kena ke o tle this one ke C. We've never had a C, C, E, G, ke nana ke 4. Watcho 1, 4. And then utlo kenya mo. Utlo kenya G. And then utlo kenye. Kenye. Good boy deserves fruit always. A, C, E, G. Okay. And then in the base we must have C, A, C, Q, and then utle B. Have you ever had a B? You've never had a B. So it will be N and a B, D, F. So B and then F, K now it's a spacing. Then I'm looking at D. The F. Good boy deserves fruit. Always B and then D out monan. Right, and then we have A. Remember this one is supposed to be 5 and then this one it must end on 1. Ne? Don't never make a mistake. Pina always it ends on a perfect cadence. So now 5 here how ki A D F A. So already only A re kenya F then tlamehile re kenye D. Good boy deserves. And then 1 year how it must be in second inversion. So highly in second inversion already you have G. Tlamehile o kenye D. Tlamehile o kenye B. Every good A, C, E, G, A, B. Then we kenye G. Then it's your 4-part harmony. So 4-part harmony, guys, it's like this. It must be 4 parts at all points. Don't forget this. This is important for you to be able to draw this. Because of your okay, how only D, the notes so tlamehile draw it. How only E, the notes so tlamehile draw it. How only A, the notes so tlamehile draw it. How only C, the notes so tlamehile draw it.